on Freedom by Khalil Gibran. I have seen people throw themselves down and worship their own freedom, like slaves before a tyrant, praising him, though he slays them. And I have seen the freest among them wear their freedom as a handcuff, and my heart bled within me, for you can only be free when you no longer speak of freedom as a goal. And how can you be free unless you break the chains you have fastened around yourself? In truth, that which you call freedom is the strongest of these chains, that which links glitter in the sun. And to become free, what would you remove that is not a part of yourself? If it's a tyrant, that throne was built within you. If it is a care you would cast off, that care was chosen by you. And if it's a fear you would drive away, the root of that fear is in your heart and not in the hand of the feared. These things move within you as lights and shadows in constant half embrace. And you will be free indeed, not when your days are without a care or your nights without grief, but rather when these things bind up your life and let you rise above them, unbound.